everyone, I'm Kiro from RICHMCHN. Today we are at the Sanhe warehouse to introduce the concrete pump truck SYG5180THB, built to perform, engineered to last. Hi there, meet the SYG5180THB, a high-performance concrete pump truck. It is designed to deliver power, precision, and reliability on any job site. Why choose the SYG5180THB? Firstly, it is because the powerful pumping delivers a max vertical reach of over 30.1 meters and a theoretical concrete output of 101 cubic meter per hour. So it is very perfect for high-rise building and large-scale projects. Secondly, it is the fuel efficiency, equipped with a Euro 5 engine and intelligent energy-saving systems that reduces the fuel consumption while maintaining the stable and high-pressure output. Thirdly, it is the operator-focused design. The ergonomic control cabin offers a wide field of vision, easy-to-use remote controls, and enhanced safety features for comfortable all-day operation. Then we have to mention its key features. Firstly, is the flexible boom system. Multi-section folding boom allows precise placement even in tight or complex sites. The SYG5180THB is your go-to partner for efficient and reliable concrete placement. Are you ready to evaluate your projects? Welcome to contact us today. Thank you.